They're strengthening their bonds by doing that. I think that could have been a very short fight that he had with the bigger male. The impalas, they just keep on alarming. They're actually showing more empathy on that injured one and not getting very close to the bigger one. I think the young ones, those sub-adults, they are understanding the fact that this is actually the time that he needs them the most. Because if you look at the bond, he was very close to this other male, but then that negotiation is not yet well settled. That's the reason he walked away and he's now by himself, and still the others are a little bit wary with him coming through. If you look at what is happening now, the sub-adults, look at what he's doing. He walks straight to where that injured one was, where it was slipping. Okay, he scents mark. Okay, he's dropping his back. He's definitely gonna scent mark. Look at that. Or defecating. Oh, it looks like he's defecating. Come on, boy. Is that what you think about us? But why you defecate where your brother was slipping? Quite a very interesting behavior that is happening here. Oof. What was very strange is he defecated very close to where his brother was sleeping. The brother approaches him and he still doesn't want to be closer to him.